Did you know that over half of people struggle with clutter in their homes? And if you are here, so it means you are in the same condition. But the good news is, with smart storage solutions, you can turn wasted space into organized, useful areas, and Amazon's space-saving products are literally too good for this. So here we are going to take a look at a few of the best products that can make your home look cleaner. All the mentioned products links are in the description. Number 20. Joseph Pocket Folding Iron Table. If you don't have much space for an iron table, this folding tabletop ironing board is a really handy choice. It sets up quickly when you need it and folds flat when you're done, making it easy to store anywhere. It also comes with a holder for your iron, keeping things neat and safe. The cover is made with drip lock technology, which means it stays dry even when you use a lot of steam. It's perfect for everyday ironing and helps you get your clothes looking smooth and fresh without any trouble. Number 19. Underbed Storage. Make the most of unused space with this rolling underbed drawer. It glides smoothly on 360-degree wheels, with 2 locks to keep it in place when needed. Its leather handles add a touch of style, while the clear window and label make it easy to spot. With durable Oxford fabric and a strong metal frame, it can hold up to 66 pounds of clothes, books, or other items. When not in use, simply fold it flat. Number 18. Closet Organizers. These magic space-saving hangers let you hang up to 9 outfits on one organizer, freeing over 80% more room instantly. The 360-degree swivel hook and sliding lock let you switch from horizontal to vertical in seconds, while strong construction handles everything from coats to jeans. Number 17. Over-the-door Organizer. This over-the-door organizer holds up to 50 pounds with ultra-thick non-woven fabric, reinforced stitching, and a stable anti-tilt frame. 5 oversized front pockets store bulky items, while 10 mesh pockets with clear windows keep small essentials visible and organized. Quick to install on doors up to 2 inches thick, it's great for kitchens. Number 16. Sleek Socket Outlet. This ultra-thin outlet concealer is a simple and smart way to hide messy plugs and cords. Its slim design sits flat against the wall, blending in smoothly with your home decor for a clean, modern look. You can even paint it to match your wall color so it completely disappears into the background. It's easy to set up and comes with a cord cover kit that helps keep wires organized and out of sight. Number 15. YITAHOME Shoe Rack. This shoe rack is a great way to keep your footwear organized without taking up too much space. It comes with 8 tiers so you can fit around 30 pairs of shoes, everything from sneakers to heels. The sturdy metal frame and strong plastic panels make it really durable, while the magnetic doors give it a clean, modern look and help keep dust off your shoes. It's easy to put together and looks neat in any room. Number 14. Toilet Paper Holder. This toilet paper holder stand is a stylish and practical addition to any bathroom. It has a simple, freestanding design that fits well with any decor and is made from durable materials for long-lasting use. The cabinet design includes a built-in roll holder and space to store up to 4 extra rolls or other bathroom essentials. It's easy to put together with parts that fit smoothly like puzzle pieces, and its compact size makes it perfect for smaller bathrooms. Number 13. Collapsible Storage Bins. Increase your storage with these large, foldable bins. Measuring 17 inches by 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches with a 38-quart capacity, they stack easily to save space. Crafted from durable linen fabric and strong polypropylene boards, they're odor-free and built to last. Transparent removable labels make organizing a breeze, while 4 sturdy handles ensure easy lifting from any side. Lightweight at just 800 grams, these versatile bins are perfect for closets, dorms, bathrooms, car trunks, and more. Number 12. Wall-Mounted Drying Rack. It helps you save valuable floor space by mounting directly on the wall. The retractable design features 5 sturdy stainless steel rods that can support up to 60 pounds, making it perfect for heavier laundry. When you're done, it folds neatly against the wall to keep things organized. It's great for air drying delicate garments and cutting down on energy use. With the included wall template, installation is fast and hassle-free. Number 11. WOHOMO Folding Desk. Maximize small spaces with this portable folding desk. Unfolding to 15.7 inches depth by 31.5 inches width by 29.5 inches height, it's perfect for bedrooms, corners, caravans, or tiny home offices. Easy to fold with a nylon buckle, it's stable and secure. and folds down to just 2.76 inches for effortless storage. Lightweight at 14.96 pounds, it's easy to move or travel with. Quick assembly, D-tools, and triangular supports make it sturdy, versatile, and space-saving. Number 10. Small Parts Organizer. Keep all your small items neatly in place with this handy organizer. It's perfect for screws, nails, nuts and bolts, craft supplies, stationery, sewing materials, beads, or even fishing gear. You can stack multiple units safely to save space or mount it on the wall so everything is easy to reach. The multiple drawers let you sort and grab what you need quickly without digging through clutter. It's a simple and practical way to keep your workspace or home organized. Number 9. Sheet Closet Organizers. You can easily store your bed sheets, duvet covers, summer clothes neatly organized, and easy to grab with this clever storage solution. It measures about 5 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and 13 inches high, giving you plenty of space without taking over your closet. The reinforced handles and strong straps make it easy to carry, while the durable triple-layer material ensures it will last. Number 8. Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. This pull-out drawer fits inside any cabinet and makes organizing super easy. You can put it on the side or the bottom, whatever works best for you. The drawer slides out so you can see and grab your stuff without any hassle. It even comes with 2 little dividers you can move around to make space just right for your things. People love how easy it is to put together, how strong it feels, and how much it can hold. Perfect for keeping your kitchen or cabinets neat and tidy. Number 7. 4-tier storage bins. Each of these drawers can hold plenty of stuff, about 23 quarts, and you can stack up to 4, giving you lots of room for clothes, shoes, kitchen goodies, or even your pets' things. They roll around easily with 4 wheels and 2 locks so they stay put when you need them. The clear front lets you see what's inside at a glance, and the magnetic flap keeps everything tidy. Plus, when you don't need them, they fold flat. Easy peasy. Number 6. Yoobure Corner Shelf Stand. Standing 67.5 inches tall, it combines LED lighting with 29 customizable modes, music syncing effects, and a convenient timer. Its corner-friendly design maximizes space while adding a chic wood and steel aesthetic. Made for stability with anti-tip support and adjustable feet, this versatile shelf is the perfect blend of functionality and modern style for any room. Number 5. Drawer Dresser. Take your storage on the next level with this stylish gray dresser. Crafted from durable MDF with a wash gray veneer and charming X-shaped side accents, it features 4 deep drawers and a wide countertop for display. The arched base ensures stability, while the crisp white finish with silver handles adds modern elegance. Versatile for bedrooms, hallways, or offices, this dresser combines farmhouse charm with practical storage, easy assembly, and lasting durability. Number 4. Oterri File Organizer. Keep your workspace or home clutter-free with this durable, upgraded file storage box. Crafted from reinforced MDF and high-quality fabric, it supports hanging folders effortlessly, while clear sliding bars ensure smooth, protective movement. Ideal for office files, documents, or even kids' books, toys, and clothes, this versatile organizer saves space and keeps everything neat. When not in use, it collapses for compact storage, combining style, durability, and practicality. Number 3. Laundry Detergent Dispenser. This handy little dispenser makes laundry day really easy. It mounts easily on any wall and is perfect for holding laundry scent boosters, stain remover powders, rice, or other small grains. Just don't use liquids. It can hold over 4 240Z bottles of laundry beads so you won't have to refill constantly. People love how it looks, how easy it is to mount, and how well it keeps those scent beads organized and ready to use. Number 2. Jewelry Organizer Cabinet. Another great option to keep your jewelry organized and displayed clean with this jewelry armoire. Featuring a large ring pad, bracelet bar, multiple drawers, shelves, hooks, and earring slots, it holds all your accessories in one place. Also, it has LED lights brighten your pieces, and the full-length glass mirror gives a flawless head-to-toe view. Number 1. Toilet Paper Basket. Keep your bathroom neat and stylish with the eFlicky Toilet Paper Storage Basket. Measuring 16.9 by 6.6 by 14.9 inches, it holds 9 to 12 rolls and doubles as storage for towels or accessories. Made of durable, breathable Oxford fabric with a bamboo handle and lid, it's lightweight, easy to clean, and portable. Foldable and quick to assemble, this chic storage solution maximizes space while adding elegance to your bathroom decor. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.